Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to use OP Autoclicker. First, open your web browser. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type OP Autoclicker. Then press enter to search. In the search results, look for the official website of OP Autoclicker. Click on the official site to open it. When the page loads, find the download button on the website. Click the download button and wait for the file to download to your computer. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file to launch the program. When the software opens, you will see several settings at the top of the window. At the top, you will see the click interval. By default, it is set to 100 milliseconds. This setting controls how fast the autoclicker will click. You can change the number if you want the clicks to be faster or slower. Under the click interval section, you will see click options. Here you can choose which mouse button the program will use. You can select left click, right click, or middle click depending on what you need. Next to that you will see the click type setting. Here you can choose whether the program performs a single click or a double click. If you choose double, the program will perform 2 clicks each time. On the right side of the window, you will see the repeat settings. You can choose repeat limited times and enter a number such as 5 if you want the clicker to stop after a certain number of clicks. You can also choose repeat until stopped if you want it to continue clicking until you manually stop it. Below that, you can choose where the clicks will happen. You can either pick a specific location on the screen or use the current cursor location. Once everything is set, you can start the autoclicker by pressing the start button. You can also press the F6 key on your keyboard. If you want, you can change this hotkey in the settings. Thanks for watching.